Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at crypto.com and we're looking at some updates that they've had and what the kind of plan forward here is. So, they went live with mainnet back in March. And since then, we had a bit of a pop in price and then we had a bit of a decline. So now we're about 10 cents for a CRO. We hit a high of about 28 cents, almost 29. And it's been going down recently, along with the rest of crypto. Doge, not doing good. Bitcoin, not doing good. Ethereum, not doing good. Everything's down. But I'm encouraged by some of the things that are going on. So in June, they had the Canis major phase 1 of crypto.org chain is live. So this is good. You can support minting and transfer and burning of NFTs. Alright, that makes it more like other NFT platforms. That's good. You finally get out there and do some stuff with those. We have some maintenance updates. Meh. Okay. Telegram. Okay, big deal. So here we have the derivatives exchange features, okay. Ultra low core latency of 50 microseconds, 5 microseconds, milliseconds, end to end for consumers. Traders can trade. Okay, great. What does that mean? They're making it faster. Bottom line. Alright, Singapore Telegram. Okay, great. So we know crypto.org chain is native to Singapore, right? So, but we can use it. This is good. Although we can't use the crypto.com exchange in the US or get loans. And that is a limiting factor that they need to rectify. Hopefully soon. Let's see what else is going on here. So they have futures that they've launched on the derivatives exchange, which we can't get here in the US, and leverage. That'd be nice to use, right? Be good if we had that here in the US. You can deposit. Okay, great. DeFi wallet supports Ethereum-based NFTs. That's cool. I saw that option. You guys checked that out in my last video. You could see you could put NFTs in your wallet. It's kind of cool. The fees are still kind of high. So, whatever. I like the CRO ecosystem a lot better than Ethereum because it's so much cheaper. Go check out my video on that. Alright. Here, we're doing some dot stuff. There's a campaign. Okay, fine. Not that excited. Okay, there's more trading pairs, but we can't really use that on the exchange in the US. They're listing new things like New Cipher. That's cool. I saw a bunch of new stuff get listed, right? Matic is available. Yep. Alright. Get going. So they're making major upgrades here to the system, okay? This is still in June. Alright. This is still going on. Everything we see here. Airdrop. Lots of good stuff going on. And lots of good stuff planned for the future. Alright? So, don't lose hope is what I'm trying to tell you guys. I know CRO seems very depressed right now. It might even go down even further. 9, 8, 7 cents on the technicals. Until we find a support level. Probably around 7 or 8 cents. Go check out my last video. And, well, it's time to stock up. Because when Bitcoin starts taking off, it's going to take the rest of the crypto with it. And I know the Bitcoin has gone through a little death cross right now. And people are expecting it to go down, down, down to like 20K. And if that's the case, the rest of this crypto is going to get super cheap. Now, people who've been doing crypto for a while have been on this roller coaster before. And Don't know how long it's going to last, but I'm going to take advantage of the low prices while I can and stock up on Bitcoin, Ethereum, CRO, and a bunch of other tokens that I'm starting to acquire. Go take a look at my videos on Voyager. I'm acquiring Coinbase. I'm acquiring Crypto.com. I'm acquiring Robinhood, Celsius. I'm all over the place. Okay, I don't know which platform I like the best. I want to stay somewhat diversified just in case one of these places just says, okay, they give up and we lose everything, or not really sure how that would work. But just to stay safe, I'm staying diversified in the places I hold crypto. I know Robinhood's not going anywhere, that's for sure. Crypto.com, pretty sure that's not going anywhere. It's got a huge user base, lots of products. It's a really good system. Alright, let's go over. So they have a lot of good things coming out. Major upgrades to the system, improvements, a lot of new names coming to the NFTs. You guys saw the IIHL, the NFTs that were booked. That's pretty cool, right? The whole sports memorabilia type stuff, that's pretty neat. So, bottom line, don't lose hope on cryptocurrency. Don't lose hope on CRO. Continue to hodl, continue to acquire. Of course, this is not financial advice. Alright, guys? Alright, well, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.